Good morning, students. Welcome to our GK Jain School, a unique school known for its online education and classes. Good morning, students. I am Shweta Jain of GK Jain School, Raipuram. If you like our video, please click on like button and subscribe our school GK Jain School, Raipuram. If you subscribe our school, the videos will be updated in your YouTube on the front only. Thank you. Today we are going to say you divisions with 2-digit numbers. In my last video, I taught you divisions with single digit. Now today I am going to taught you 5th standard divisions 2-digit. Let's start. See, what is our question? 3750 divided by 30. Is it clear? See, 30. 30 is the easy number that you can have. What is that 30? You can have easily. 30 means see in 3 table when it is coming. 3 table when it is coming. In 3 table when 3 is coming, 1. Is it right? When 3 is coming, don't think about 0. First think about this 3 when it is coming. First number is 3. So what you should write? 3 ones are 3. Correct? So write down 1 here. 30 ones are 30. So what you are getting? 30 ones are 30. Correct. See, now what is the subtraction? What you have to do? Subtraction. 7 minus 0, 7. And 1 you have to carry it out 5. Very good. See, 7 minus 0, 7. 5 you have to borrow 75. In 3 table when 7 comes. 3 table 7 will come, students? 7 will not come. So you have to take below number. What you should take below? See, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So what you should take? 6. What you should take? 6 you should take on. You should not take the above number. So what you have to take? 32s are 60 you have to take. What you have to take? 32s are 60. Now what you have to do? You have to do subtraction. 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 6, 1. Now what you have to take again? 0. In 3 table, when 5 comes? In 3 table, when 15 comes, students? You know all. See fast. What? In 3 table, when 15 comes? 5. Very good. So, when it will come? It will come 5. 3 5s are 15 and 0 will come 0. 30 into 5. See, 30 into 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 3s are 15. Correct? So, whenever in 0 gives, you have to think only this number when it is coming. Is it clear, students, now? Is it clear? Shall we go for the second one? Okay, 1 second. We'll go for second one.
Start.
See, students, what is our second sum? 56,840 divided by 50. So, what is our 50 here? 50 is our division. So what is our 50? Divisor. What is our dividend? 56,840. So what will be the quotient and what will be the remainder? See, division is 50. 56,840 is our division. Quotient, remainder we will calculate. Again, what I said you have to think that in 5, what 5 come? Don't think now about the 0. See only only this number 5 when it is coming in 5 table. When is coming 5? 1. So write down 1. 50 ones are. What is 50 ones are? 50. Yeah, very good, correct. So what you have to do here? You have to do subtraction. 6 minus 0, 6, and here 8 carry. Again in 5 table when 6 comes. In 5 table 6 will come? It will not come. So what you have to take again? You have to take 1. Yeah, 50 ones are 50. Very good. Now again what you have to do? You have to do subtraction. 8 minus 0, 8. 6 minus 5, 1. 4 carry over. Correct. Now again in 5 table when 18 comes. In 5 table 18 comes for you. It will not come. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 20 is the big number. We have 80. Correct? So what you should write down? 5 threes are 15. What you should write down? 5 threes are 15. So 50 into 3, what will come for you? 150. Correct. Again you have to do subtraction. 4 minus 0, 4. 8 minus 5, 3. And here again 0 carry over. Very good. So in 5 table again when will come our 3? 3. 5 table 34. Okay. In 5 table 34 will come? It will not come. So what you have to take? You have to take 56 are 300. 300. What you have to take? 56 are 300. So 340 minus 300. What you will get? 40. What you will get? 340 minus 340. 40 is our remainder. What is our remainder? Because in 50 table 40 will not go. It is a lesser number. So remainder is our remainder is our 40. Quotient is our 1136. Very good. What is our quotient? 1136. Again see, when 0 will come here, you have to listen this number and you have to do the sum. It will be very easy and you can do like this. Okay. Now we will go to our other sum. Just 1 minute. See, what is our third sum now? 3448 divided by 24. 24, see, it is really hard to remember the 24 table. And 4th standard students, 5th standard students, it's really little hard. So what you have to think? You have to think that 24 means 2 table, 20. Because so in 24 when 34 will go, it will not. So what you have to take? 1, 24. Yeah. What you have to do? Subtraction. 4 minus 4, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. And you have to write down 4. Again, what I said you, 24 means you have to think 20 because round off. 24 will be rounded off to 20 you learned in your previous classes. So 20 when goes 104 means 100. When goes 5. Correct. You can take 5. What you will do? 5. But here 4 is there. So what you should take? 4. 4 fours are 16. 4 twos are 8. 1 carry over 96. See. 24 into 4. 4 fours are 16. 4 twos are 8. 9. Yeah. Is it clear to you? 96. Now what you have to do? Subtraction. 14 minus 6, 8. Because you carry over here. Yeah. Now it became 9. 9 minus 9, 0. 88. So what is in 24? 88 will go? It will not. What you will take? You have to take 24 into 4, 96, right? So 3 table. 24 into 3, 3 fours are 12, 3 2s are 6, 72. Yeah, correct. So you can take 24 3s are. What is the answer? 8 minus 2, 6, 8 minus 7, 1. 16 is our remainder. So you have to write division. What is division? 24 dividend 143. Quotient, dividend is our inside number. 3448. Now quotient 143, remainder is equal to 16. Is it clear, students? Now see, you have to think as a remainder, quotient, division, dividend in your exam. Let's do one more of our example. 1 minute. See student, it is 15 table and you 5th standard student should know the 15 table. Let's start. 15 when 43 comes will not come. 15 3s are 45. So you should write 15 2s are 30. Yeah. What you should write? 15 2s are 30. Subtraction. 3 minus 0 3. 4 minus 3 1. And 2 carry over. What is 15? 132. What is 15 7s 8s are? What is 15 8s are? Very good. 120. Yeah. 15 8s are 120. Subtraction again. 2 minus 0 2. 3 minus 2 1. And 125 carrying. So what is when 125 will come? What is when 25 comes? Say fast students. 9 5s are 15 into 9, 45, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, it will not come. 8. 8 5s are 40, 120. Yeah, 5 is our remainder. So, you should learn all the tables till 20. You should know. 11 to 20 you should learn and then you can do very easily. So, what is our division? Division is our 15. Dividend 4, 3, 2, 5. What is our quotient? 2, 8, 8. Remainder is our 5. See students, if you have to work out, practice more at home, then only you are able to do it out. Okay? Okay. Thank you all and click on like button. Don't forget. Let's see in our next video. Thank you.